You'll have love at first sight with the 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Make your business all it can be with this well-designed ProMaster 2500. With enhanced towing and payload capabilities, this comfortable, tech-savvy vehicle offers the flexibility and features you need to succeed. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, auxiliary power outlet, trip computer. Feel the satisfaction of taking your business to the next level with this highly capable ProMaster 2500. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.